You can download your app from the Preachit App Store. Simply navigate to preachitappstore.com from your mobile browser. From there, you'll scroll down and locate the app that you want. Once you have found your app, go ahead and click on Download iPhone App. It'll ask you if you want to install it. You'll select Install. At this point, going back, you'll see that the app is installing. Once the app is fully installed, go ahead and click on it. Now you may receive this message because this is not being downloaded from the iTunes Store, but have no fear, it's very easy to fix. First I'll hit Cancel, and then we're going to navigate over to our Settings, which is located by this gear right here. Once I click on Settings, I'm going to scroll down until I find General. I'll select General, and then I will scroll down until I locate Device Management, and I'll select it. And from there, I'll select Greed Be Gone LLC. And now all I have to do is select Trust Greed Be Gone LLC. It'll basically ask you if you are sure you want to trust this. I'm going to choose Trust. And now that that has been trusted, I can go back to my app. And now I should be able to open it. I'll go ahead and allow for everything and push notifications. And there we go. Now I can access my app just like normal. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach us at gbghelp.com.